What if I told you that while you are celebrating 7% FD returns, college students in Singapore are quietly earning 10 to 15% on their savings using just their phone? No bank visits, no paperwork, no relationship managers trying to sell you insurance or loans. Just pure, automated returns flowing into their digital wallets 24 by 7. This isn't some get rich quick schemes. This is DeFi, and it's about to make your fixed deposits look like dial-up connection in the age of 5G. Let's start by understanding what's DeFi. It's short for Decentralized Finance. It's basically a peer-to-peer financial system that lets you lend, borrow, trade, and earn interest without going through traditional banks or financial institutions. Think of it as doing all your banking through smart contracts on the blockchain. No paperwork, no bank approvals, no middlemen taking their cut. Just you directly connecting with other users to access financial services 24 by 7. Instead of trusting a bank to hold your money and give you 6% returns, you are trusting transparent computer code that often delivers more returns because it cuts out all of the traditional banking overhead. Picture this, it's 2019. Rajesh, a software engineer from Bangalore, puts 10 lakh in a fixed deposit at 6.5% interest. Fast forward to today. Inflation ate up more than half of his returns, and after tax, he barely made 2.5% real returns. Meanwhile, his colleague Priya put the same amount in a DeFi protocol in 2019. She earned 12% APY, paid no TDS, and could withdraw her money anytime without penalties. Today, she is teaching her entire family how to use DeFi. But here is the kicker. Priya isn't some crypto genius. She just understood one simple thing that 99% of Indians are missing. The future of money isn't in bank branches, it's in smart contracts. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how DeFi works, why it's offering returns that make bank managers nervous, and most importantly, how you can position yourself to make the most of it. Because make no mistake, the crypto wave is coming to India. The only question is, will you ride it or get swept away by it? Let me blow your mind with some numbers. Right now, as we speak, there's a $40 billion logged in a DeFi protocol called Aave. Not in a bank, in a computer program. And it's paying out returns every single second. Here is how it works. Imagine a vending machine for money. You put your crypto in, somebody else borrows it, and you earn interest. No bank needed, no branch manager, no 15-page forms. The magic word here is APY, which is annual percentage yield. Unlike your FD's simple interest, DeFi compounds your returns automatically, every single day. Let's say you put 1 lakh rupees in a DeFi protocol offering 10% APY. Thanks to daily compounding, you're not making 10,000 rupees per year. You're making 10,516 rupees. That's an extra 516 rupees. That's your money making money on the money it already made. Meanwhile, your bank is still calculating simple interest like it's 1990. But here's where it gets spicy. There are newer protocols like Pendle and GMX, and they are offering 10 to 15% returns on stablecoins. Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies pegged to the dollar, so no crazy volatility. Think about that. While your FD struggles to beat inflation at 6%, these protocols are casually offering double-digit returns. Here is a question nobody asks. Why do you need permission to lend your money? In traditional banking, you can't lend money without a banking license. But in DeFi, anyone can become a lender. Anyone can be a borrower. It's called permissionless finance, and it's beautiful. Let me tell you a story. Last month, a farmer in Kenya borrowed $500 worth of crypto to buy seeds. The lender? A college student in Mumbai. The interest rate? Decided by an algorithm, not a credit committee in an air-conditioned boardroom. No credit scores, no discrimination, no sorry we don't serve your area. Just pure mathematical lending based on collateral. And the user experience? Oh boy! Have you tried using your bank's app recently? It's like they hired the same guy who designed government websites in 2005. Meanwhile, DeFi apps look like they are from 2030. One click to lend, one click to borrow, real-time returns updating every second. It's like comparing a Nokia 3310 to an iPhone 16. But the real innovation isn't just pretty interfaces. It's the use cases banks can't even dream of. Let's look at some of them. The first one is flash loans, where you can borrow millions of dollars for a few seconds to do arbitrage trading. Next is yield farming, where you basically stack multiple protocols to maximize your returns. Then comes liquidity pools, where you can earn fees by providing trading liquidity to the protocol. And finally, automated strategies. Set it and forget it. Your money optimizes for the best yields automatically and earns you the maximum yield available. All this innovation in DeFi while your bank is still figuring out how to send OTPs properly. DeFi is building the financial system of the future. Here is my prediction, and mark my words. India will have crypto-friendly regulations within the next 2 years. Why am I so confident? Look at the dominoes falling. The US just elected a crypto-friendly administration. Trump's team is stacked with DeFi advocates. When America moves, the world follows. Singapore is already a DeFi hub. The UAE is attracting crypto billionaires. Even traditional finance giants like BlackRock are launching crypto funds. And India? We are the IT powerhouse of the world. Yet, we are letting our talent build DeFi protocols in other countries. It's like having Virat Kohli, but not letting him play cricket for our country. The government knows this. That's why they're releasing a crypto policy paper this year. That's why the RBI is testing digital rupee. They see the writing on the wall. But here's the thing. By the time regulations come, the early movers will already be earning. The question is, will you be ready? Let me paint you a picture of 2035. Your kids won't know what a passbook is. They'll manage their entire financial life from their phones, not through banking apps, through DeFi protocols. Want a loan? Smart contract approves it in seconds based on your on-chain history or the history of your interactions with the blockchain. Want to save? AI algorithms find the best yields for you across multiple protocols. Want to invest? You can invest in tokenized stocks, real estate, even art, all in one wallet. Banks as we know them, they will be like movie DVD rental stores. Remember them? Here is why the shift is inevitable. Demographics. 75% of Indian crypto users are under 35. They are adept at embracing new technology. Technology. Blockchain is doing to finance what the internet did to information. You cannot uninvent it. Economics. When people can earn 10% instead of 5%, money flows to better returns. It's that simple. Globalization. DeFi doesn't care about borders. Your money can work in Singapore markets while you sleep in Mumbai. The banks know this. That's why they're desperately trying to launch their own digital currencies. But it's like Kodak trying to compete with Instagram. Too little, too late. So how do you position yourself for this revolution? Here is my 4-step framework. Step 1. Education sprint of 1 month. Don't invest a rupee unless you understand these basics. What is a blockchain? How do smart contracts work? What are stablecoins? How yield generation works in DeFi. Step 2. Small experiments for 2 to 3 months. Start with $100. Yes, that's small. Use established protocols like Aave for simple lending, Compound for easy yields, and Curve Finance for stablecoin strategies. Track everything. Learn from mistakes when they're cheap. Step 3. Strategic allocation in months 4 to 6. Once comfortable, you allocate 5 to 10% of your savings to DeFi, not more. Diversify across blue chip protocols like Aave and Compound, medium risk protocols like Pendle and GMX, and different blockchains like Ethereum, Polygon, or Arbitrum. Step 4. Advanced strategies from month 7 on. Now you can explore yield farming, liquidity provision, and automated vault strategies. The key? Start now while it is still early. When regulations come and millions rush in, you will already be the expert teaching others. Now, before you liquidate your FDs tomorrow and dive into the depths of DeFi, Let's talk about risks, because pretending they don't exist is foolish. The first is smart contract risk. Code can have bugs. Even Compound, a blue chip DeFi protocol, once lost $147 million due to a smart contract issue. No customer support. Lost the private keys to your crypto wallet? Nobody can help you. It's like losing cash, but digital. Hacks happen. A lot of DeFi users and protocols have been victims of their wallets getting hacked. Even big centralized exchanges like Coinbase and WazirX have fallen victim to elaborate hacks. You are the bank. No one else manages your money. One wrong click, one phishing link, and poof, money gone. But here's the thing. People said the same about internet banking in 2000. Too risky, what if hackers steal everything? Yet, here we are, managing lakhs and crores through apps. The solution isn't avoiding new technology, it's learning to use it safely. In 1991, when India opened its economy, two types of people emerged: those who embraced liberalization and built empires, and those who complained about foreign companies while watching opportunities pass by. Today, we are at a similar crossroads with DeFi. The US is embracing it. Billion-dollar protocols are being built. Returns that shame traditional banking are available right now. And India, we are about to catch up. When we do, the early adopters will have a massive advantage. Remember, every revolution looks risky until it becomes obvious. The internet was too complicated, smartphones were unnecessary, online payments were unsafe. DeFi is next, and unlike those revolutions, this one directly puts money in your pocket. So here's my question to you. In 2027, when DeFi is mainstream in India, will you be teaching others or learning from others? The choice is yours, but choose fast, because while banks are giving you 6%, someone somewhere is earning double that with just a few clicks. If this video opened your eyes to DeFi Revolution, hit that subscribe button. Share this with that one friend who's still celebrating his 6% FD returns. Are you ready to explore DeFi, or are you sticking with traditional banking? Let me know in the comments below. Keep learning, keep growing, and remember, the future of finance isn't in banks, it's in your hands.